Let's go ahead and let's check out Amanda's shop next. And big little footprint. All right. And let's see what we got here. DIY plans, invitations, and more. Let's see here. Super new and still getting listings set up. All right. No worries, Amanda. You got to start somewhere. And you are welcome, Amy, of course. So let's see what we got here. We got a floral baptism invitation. It's a downloadable product here. So 5x7. Join us for the baptism of Flora Green. All right. Now, I don't accept returns. Instantly edit after purchase. This is the perfect how it works. Add to cart. You'll receive a PDF with a link. Click this to go to the Canva website. Start editing the fall couple bridal shower invitation. All right. Okay, great. So you're telling them how they can edit it as well. So they can edit this in Canva. It's a 5x7 card. Oh, and you're welcome, Sorch. It's a 5x7 card here. No, not the wording or event you want. Edit the text to fix. All right. Optional back with photo. Oh, very cute. Okay, great. Looks great. I like the details. Showing off all the details right here. Floral baptism invitation, greenery baptism invitation, christening invitation. And also, I think you could also try some like you could add some of the keywords here like digital download and some of those other things in there as well. Those would be good to have, baptism download, invitation download, invitation printable, some of those other keywords in there that kind of explain what the product is exactly. Now for your shop overall, I think these look great. They're very pretty, really cute. Here we go. Lovely family. Oh great, you even got a backstory and everything. So we've got the perfect. I'd also add your policies down here. Looks like you got a few of your policies, but I think you could add a few more. But what it's really going to come down to for your shop, for stuff like this, it's just about finding out stuff that people really like. And the only way you find out what people really like is just to design and publish a lot of stuff. Putting together a lot of different things and trying out a lot of different designs. And that's kind of what made my shop win, was I just kept publishing lots and lots and lots of decals until I found decals that people really dug and people really wanted to put up inside their house. And I've only got 100 items on my shop now, because these are basically my best items. I've whittled it down. But when I first started selling on Etsy, I was publishing items all the time, like literally just publishing new listings and new designs and new things all the time. So I think you could kind of do the same thing. It just keep putting new designs out there, new cards, new invitations, but also some other things. I see you've got like some woodworking plans. That's kind of an interesting direction that you could kind of work on. If you did some more stuff like this, I think that's really nice, and it shows them all the details of it. Very cool there. Really pretty too. Very pretty. I like that. That looks nice. You see the green plants close up. So for you, I think just trying, lots of things. Just keep uploading stuff, and you'll start to find out what really wins. And then kind of like what Michael was saying, if people don't know how to use Canva, I think you could also sell these cards as a done for you, where you'll just do it for them. You'll set it up for them, and you could basically just say, right here, you could sell, like you could offer maybe a drop down where it said customize it yourself, and then another one that says let me customize it for you, and then just explain that you're going to message them and get them any details that they need any details that you need to set up their card for them. Because I think there would be a lot of people that would rather just have you, put it together for them, so they don't have to worry with Canva and figure out how to use it or something like that. So I would maybe put that as like a drop down, done for you editing, or edit it yourself. Edit yourself, $5.50. Done for you editing is like $15 or something like that. And obviously it's literally going to take you just like a few seconds to switch out their information, but people would probably appreciate that. So that's what I think about that, Amanda. Very cute shop that you have here.